Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a video on my Tamiya truck. As you can see, it's a King Koala and it hasn't got a multifunction unit like the Scania. But I have got a road train for it, but I didn't really want to get it out just for today. I might do it on a sunnier day, but today I'm just going to just show you how it handles, because ages ago I just did a review on it. So today we're just showing you how it will handle and turn around and reverse. So I'll just try and think of a way. Right, 1 second. Got to reverse in line with the camera. You might notice that I've got a blocked nose, but it should be alright for today. It's only a short video. I know we'll end up being a really long video because I can't put in this silly box. Right. Still nothing wrong with the camera. Or shall I cheat and just move the camera? No, still not in line. Let's try a bit more. Let's say that's in line with the camera. So, let's see it's handling for just like generally reversing. You won't be able to see this guys, but there is a red strip down the middle of the path what I'm working on today. There is a red strip what I'm going to reverse down. You probably can't see it, but there is. And I'm going to see if I can stay within the red lines. Oh, just at the end I went off when I got to the drain. So, we've got that. Let's try and unhitch the trailer. And then you have to do a whole lap around the trailer. You have to do a whole lap around the trailer. So, let me just turn the truck around out to side. Just on the back end. The front end, but right. So, got to try and remove around now without hitting anything or going on the grass. If I do, I just hit the trailer. Right, just say it's starting now. So, if I hit anything, I'll have to upload one more video every day. That probably will not happen. I don't have the time to, but this is going to be hard. I wish I did not say that, but we'll see if we can do this. Hopefully I don't hit anything. Right. Oh, it's just gonna... or just hit the grass there. I don't know, I might upload one more little video every day, because I did go off YouTube for a bit, but now I'm just like, well, I should do more videos for the subscribers. So yeah, I'll do a better review when it's a sunny day on this truck. But for today, I think it should be okay really. And I will show this power compared to the Scania's power. So then, see ya!